PBB naman, Bianx. Ano yung mga natutunan mo daw sa PBB stint mo that helped you with your personal life and your career?
Ang dami ko kasing, I feel like si Sayo makaka-agree siya dito, pero marami kaming natutunan inside PBB. Pero I feel like one thing that I consistently say is that lumakas talaga yung sikmura ko. Because inside the house, it was hard, it was tough, but when I got evicted, when nung bumalik na ako sa outside world, it was even harder. The world was so tough, and I didn't realize how toxic the industry can be after, even right not up until PBB. So, feeling ko, kung hindi ko napagdaanan yung PBB or lahat ng mga lessons na lahat ng obstacles na kinailangan ko pagdaanan inside PBB, then I wouldn't be prepared for the responsibilities that the universe has in store for me. So, I always say na thankful ako kay Kuya because sa bawat step ko, sa career ko, and sa buhay ko, dala-dala ko siya. And, ayun, because of him, I'm always reminded to be tough, to be strong, and feeling ko no matter how much the world tries to hurt me or put me down, yes, madadapa ako, but I'll always get back up.
Thank you so much.